In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count colored cells in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where your colored cells are located. This is a useful task when you're working with spreadsheets that use fill colors to show status, priority, or categories, and you want a quick way to count how many cells match a specific color. It's important to know that Excel does not have a standard built-in formula that directly counts cells based only on their fill color. Because of that, people usually rely on a few workarounds. Common options include filter by color, the subtotal function, GET.CELL through a named range, or VBA. In this video, we're focusing on one of the simplest and most practical methods, using filter by color together with subtotal. To understand the example, imagine you have a small data table with products and a status column. Some status cells are filled with different background colors, such as green, red, or yellow. For example, one product might have a green status cell, another red, and another yellow. The goal is to count how many cells have one specific color. Start by selecting your data range. Once your data is selected, go to the Home tab, then choose Sort and Filter, and click Filter. This adds filter arrows to your column headers. Next, click the filter arrow in the column that contains the colored cells. From the Filter menu, choose Filter by Color, and then select the fill color you want to count. As soon as you do that, Excel will show only the rows that contain cells with that selected color. This is the key part of the method, because now you're working only with the visible matching cells. To count those visible cells, enter this formula in an empty cell, equals subtotal, open parenthesis, 103, comma, then your target range, and close parenthesis. In this example, the formula is equals subtotal open parenthesis 103, B2 colon B100, close parenthesis. The result will return the number of visible, non-empty cells in that range, which means it effectively counts the filtered, colored cells. The number 103 is important here because it tells Excel to count only visible non-empty cells, ignoring rows hidden by the filter. This method is simple, fast, and especially helpful when you need a quick count without using more advanced tools. Just make sure your range in the formula matches the actual cells you're filtering. And if your list grows over time, you may want to adjust that range so your count stays accurate.